Okay, so let's take a look at the last problem. The problem exercise, the problem number 6. So this is the end of the chapter 4, right? And there's exercise problem, right? The exercise, right? And now let's take a look at the problem number 6. Returning to the bicycle rental data set, convert your simple regression model, right, to a multiple regression model that predicts real fill based on temperature, wind speed, and the humidity, right? So basically, they ask you to build the what? The multiple linear regression model, right? And so, and then you of course you need to look at that the result, right? By using the summary function, right? So I assuming that you already loaded tidyverse, right? That's okay. So the library tidyverse, right? Tidyverse. Okay. So I assume that you already uploaded. Install the package and uploaded the library tidyverse. I already did. So I'm going to okay. So assume that you did that already. And then you have to do, let's say you have to create a variable name. I'll say model, right? So this is like multiple linear regression, right? So so this is what the y variable name is real fill, right? So I'll just use the real fill, right? So the real let's see, real fill. I'll just RF the model, right? And then you have to use LM functions, right? And then data. Okay. Oh, by the way, you need to first read the what? You first read the CSV file. But I assume that you already read the CSV file. But you know what? Let's just do it one more time. The bikes. I think if let's see, read, right? Underscore CSV, right? And then what? Bikes. .csv, right? Okay, and I assume that you already set this as your, you already properly set up your working directory. And for me, is in this directory, this is my working directory, right? And I have a bikes.csv, right? So let's just run this. Good. And then yeah. So let's see, right? Then the data, right? The data is what? Data is the data is the bikes, right? So this is my data bikes. Or you can skip the data, but like bikes, right? And then your formula, right? Your formula is equal. Actually, you can skip formula, but real, it's real fill, right? The real fill is gonna be the your response variable, the y variable, right? Real fill, and actually tilde, right? And then the temperature, right? Temp, TMPRA, temperature, and plus humidity, right? And then wind speed. Right, so that's the your model, right? So let's just run this, right? Okay, and then if you want to look at the result, the summary, right? The summary of this your model, you need to use the functions RF model, right? Then basically you can you can interpret this result. So it's very simple, right? This the basically the problem number 6, right, of the chapter number 4. Of course, you should able to interpret this, and please watch my previous lectures. Okay, thank you.